Okay guys, one last challenge. We're gonna try to bowl. I don't have any bowling pins. I actually found if you have the plastic solo cups, they work really well. We have these plastic cups in my cupboard, but I noticed if I hit them with the ball this way, they don't tip over because this bottom is big. I'm gonna set them up this way, kind of like bowling pins, and then try to roll and knock them down. When you set them up, make sure they're not super close together because they might knock each other down. Have them apart. In bowling, it makes a triangle. The back row is 5, and then it's 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. I don't have enough. I'm gonna make 4 in the back row. So I'm gonna go 1, have a little space, 2, uh-oh, and I put them upside down. I can't do that, they won't tip. 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops. Make a space. And now see how these, it's in between, in between, in between. And then I'm gonna have a row of 2. 1, 2, and then I'll have a front. When you roll, you hopefully wanna hit that front cup because then it might just keep knocking down the rest of them as it goes through. For bowling, I would say let's take at least 5 steps away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna take that step with my opposite foot and roll. Oh, I got all but 3. So in bowling, I'd get a second try. So I would go back to my spot and take a second try. If you get them all down, it's a strike. Report back how it goes.